Hello, my weird nation. I'm officially gonna do stuff again, because now I have a microphone. Sorry, I did not know it was that. This is gonna be a really short one, because right now I'm just testing if I am just tone deaf to my own voice, because I swear I sound deep in my noggin. But, yeah, you guys tell me if I sound any different, or at least sound a little better. Yeah, I really should have gotten a microphone much later on. And I got this like a few weeks ago, you know, testing the nukes and crannies. Weird out my weird nation. Also, I'm finally gonna do something with those Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman blush. The Trinity is coming.